Hey everybody, back again, and today I'm going to be taking some round bar and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a couple of leaf rings. These are really easy projects to do for basic blacksmithing or beginner blacksmiths. They're just fun, easy to do, and any skill level of blacksmith should be able to do this as long as they've got some type of mandrel. And we'll get to that later. But let's get this in the fire and get started, shall we? ring's all finished up now. We've got a simple little sun sigil sitting on a ribbon. That one was pretty fun. You start out almost like a leaf and then you wrap it, flatten it, and kind of punch that face to change that up however you like it. Then we've got a little leaf ring all finished up as well. And then we've got another simple little leaf ring. So we've got 3 done. I only filmed 2 just for the sake of the length of the video. But if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, all that jazz. And until next time, God bless. You guys stay sharp out there.